Okay, now he's taking the sand cloth and he's going to buff the outside of the pipe to clean it. Hold that up there, Jesus, so we can see it. There we go. Let me zero in on it a little bit. All right. Go ahead. I'm going to pause it for just a second. Now he'll be deburring the interior of the pipe to make sure there are no rough edges left. Okay. See, now he has to clean the interior of the fitting that fits over the pipe. In this case, it's a 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch T. The brush gets any hand oils or any debris off of the pipe.
No.
There we go. Now he's applying the flux. The flux not only helps clean the pipe, but it facilitates the capillary action to draw the solder in to the soldered connection between the hub of the coupling, or in this case the hub of the T, and the pipe. Okay, so he's got a clean fitting, clean pipe, got the flux on it. In this case, we're going to put it in a vise. Normally, you don't have that luxury. And of course, the vise can actually crimp the pipe as well. All right, this is a acetylene torch, and he is going to turn the valve on so he can get gas to his torch, and then he'll hit a striker to create a spark that'll ignite a flame. This is the soft solder that melts at roughly 400 degrees. Getting that ready. Okay, the striker will act much like a cigarette lighter striker or flint. Flame going. Adjust his flame so he gets a good hot flame. He's heating the fitting, and the heat will actually draw the solder up into the connection. All right, I'm back on now. There we go. Rotate that a little bit, Jesus. There you go. So he's applied the solder 360 degrees, and that capillary action should take the solder on up into the roughly 1/2 inch makeup inside the T where the pipe is inserted.